avec tes gestes sincères, en fait t'es là que pour le faire.
And all these drugs, they be betting all us calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bankrolls, that's all I want.
Hey, all I want is money, power, respect, though.
Hi guys, welcome to LA, my world, my everything. I'm gonna show you how I got my afro looking like this, and we will be back to talk about it. We will be back.
I never felt the way I do about anyone but you. If I were to lose you now, I don't know what I might do. your heart isn't there. Don't tell me we're fine, lying to yourself. It's too late to meet up, we are too far apart. You're too late, can't you see I can't trust you no more. Gotta get over you, 'cause I'm more in the dark. It's too late to meet up, too late to meet up.
Okay, so what I did was, after the video, because I used this before, I took a little, really, because I am not a person who uses a lot of product on my hair. I am not that person who do leave-in, put a little bit of oil, put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that. No, I'm not. I am a person who is very simple with my hair. My hair does not like a lot of attention. Well, it does like a lot of attention, but it likes simple products. So sometimes at nighttime, if I have my real hair out, I'll put a little bit of oil, or probably some what's it called, Blue Magic, the coconut one. I just like the smell. The coconut one. I'll braid my hair, or sometimes I throw it in a ponytail, and then detangle my hair, run one of these cream products in my hair at night, right? And if I'm gonna be doing the afro, I usually just use the gel. But what I did was, because the fact that my hair has been a little bit dry, so I took a little bit of this product off camera, ran it through, took the gel a little bit, ran it through my hair, and brushed it through the denim brush, and added a lot of water. I noticed a lot of water works with my hair, and then I let it dry, let it do its thing, and then pick out my hair like I always do. Pick it out, let it dry, pick it out again, let it dry, pick it out until it's fully dry, and then I pick it out. The problem with me is I have to learn how to pick the back of my hair, because the back of my hair be mad flat. But anywho, this product always work. I feel like, I don't know if the formula's changed. I have not used this product because I've been natural since 2015. I did big chalk my hair recently again. So I don't know if the product is just different, because it's really sticky. I don't know, like in my hands. I think that's what got me. I was over it, and when I was doing the video, I was like in a really kind of stressful place, so I didn't really do the process the way that I usually do, and most likely I'll probably do it on Instagram again. So if you just want to see how it took, this product, it requires a lot. So like, this was a full bottle. The product is right here now, okay? And I have a lot of the cream because I literally took a little like tiny spot of the cream so it wouldn't leave the white residue, but I just need moisturizer because my hair was really dried with just this, right? So I love this. You know, I used this before. Would I buy this again? Not really. I feel like how my hair used to be, this worked wonders, but I feel like after 2 uses it's done. Like it's done, and it's really sticky. But it worked wonderful. My hair, my curls are popping, you know, my afro's doing the afro, you know. But anyways, yeah, it's cute, you know. I mean, I feel as if, like, I don't know, I have too much hair for this product, but if it's just like, I don't know, it just was really sticky and it just left my hair like really sticky. Right now it's like soft and bouncy, but this is the type of product like you literally have to section each hair, brush the denim brush, let the curls. Section the hair, brush it through, let it curl. You cannot rake it through like I was doing in the video. No, it was a huge disaster and my hair started clumping up. And sometimes when your hair can, like, I feel like rot because when I had it and I was letting it dry, it started like frizzing up like together, and then it started smelling like, you know, when like something is like moldy, that's how it smelled. So the next day I washed my hair and I did the process again, and this is what I got. Okay, so that's all. You know, I really don't have much to say about it. Deep conditioned my hair, washed my hair with the Carol's Daughter off camera, and then I styled my hair with the curling gel. Okay, yeah, you know, my natural hair is very simple. I don't really do much. I see people do like my natural hair, so I'm gonna try to incorporate. I am going to be trying this hair mask that I seen from one of the YouTubers. I forgot her name, and she tried this hair mask, so I want to try it on my hair, and I'll probably go on and show you guys how I got that. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, sis, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.